Hey, how's it going? Erik the Travel Guy with you. You know when you're flying in business or first class, they give you one of these cool little amenity kits. Now, depending upon the duration of the flight, sometimes they give them out in other cabins of service, but for the most part, it's reserved for those who paid big bucks to sit up front. And I thought to myself, why not bring that luxury to wherever your seat is? That is why I created this handy dandy little number. Yes, friends, it is my travel size flight ready amenity kit, and it's filled with all kinds of fun things. Let's talk about what's inside. First, we start with the bag itself. This is a TSA approved durable tote you can throw right into the screening bin from your carry-on, and here's what's inside. You will find 2 moist towelettes. I love to use the word moist, and this is perfect for wiping down your tray table and your seat belts. 2 single-use hand sanitizers, 1 makeup remover wipe, 2 breath mints because, well, we know why, 1 eye mask, that's for sleeping, 1 pair of black socks, 1 set of under eye repair patches for the puffiness, of course, 1 travel toothbrush and toothpaste, 1 lip repair balm, I love this lip balm, 1 hydrating lotion, and 2 eyeglass or screen cleansing wipes. Now, as you can see, each item is individually wrapped and will arrive in a bubble mailer fully packed and ready to travel. Plus, if you go to my Etsy store right now, that's Erik the Travel Guy, and pick up one of these totes of genius, then I'm going to give you 20% off your entire order. That's right, use the promo code YouTube20. Thank you for watching. I'm Erik the Travel Guy. Have a safe flight.